Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Stripe checkout to your UI with Webflow step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Webflow account. Open the project where you want to integrate Stripe checkout. In a new tab, log into your Stripe account. Navigate to the Developers section in your Stripe dashboard. Select the API Keys option. Copy your publishable key and secret key. Return to your Webflow project. Go to Project Settings. Click on the Custom Code tab. In the head code section, paste the stripe.js script link. This link is usually found in the Stripe documentation. Scroll down to the bottom code section. Here, you'll add JavaScript code for your checkout logic. Ensure to include the Stripe checkout initialization. Create a new button or link in your Webflow designer. This will be used to trigger the Stripe checkout. In the settings panel for this button, add a unique ID. This will help identify the button in your JavaScript code. Now, return to your bottom code section. Write an event listener for the button click. Use the unique ID you added earlier for targeting. Within the event listener, integrate the Stripe checkout functionality. Use the publishable key to create a Stripe instance. Set up your checkout session within the event listener. Define the items and pricing as per your product offerings. Redirect users to the Stripe checkout page upon the button click. Save your changes and publish your Webflow project. Test the button to ensure it correctly connects to Stripe checkout. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.